all 89 trucks will be out working through the night and into the morning rush hour. Now, Metro says it's prepared for this storm. Crews are already plowing the snow and de-icing the third rail. Spokeswoman Beverly Silverberg says all Metro stations will be open as usual at 6 a.m. And by tomorrow morning, they'll have a better idea on how often the trains will be running. The Metro bus schedule will depend on accumulations. If side streets are packed with snow, some buses will be rerouted. Join Eyewitness News at 6:30 tomorrow morning with Phyllis Armstrong and Bill Kamal to find out the latest information on what's operating and what's not.